Good morning, children. I welcome you to today's English class. Children, in the previous class, I had given you some work on grammar, particularly on tense forms. And I am going to explain the answer of one question today only. Because I have given you some task as classwork in PDF format, you will note down the question answers of one chapter that I have provided today. That's why I'll discuss only one question today, and the rest two I'll discuss in the next class. So please see to it. Experiments. Question number, it shows question number 8. Question number 8, it is to find the missing word. So wherever the word is missing, I'll tell you, and what would be the answer, I'll tell you. As you know, you have to write the missing word this way. The word before you have to write, missing word you have to write here, and then word after you have to write here. So let us start. Experiments at the world's biggest particle smasher confirmed. See children, it is to be written in present perfect tense. So experiments, it is plural. The subject, that's why we will use here have. Between smasher and confirmed, we will use here have. So in your copy, you should put the slash here between smasher and confirmed. The word is missing. And which word? Have is missing. So here, words before you write down smasher, words missing, that is have, and confirmed, you will write word after. Smasher, have, confirmed. So have is the verb here for experiments. Experiments have confirmed the existence of two subatomic particles. The discovery is part of the baryon. The discovery is part of the baryon family of particles. The discoveries have, once again, have is to be written number B, in number B. Where it is to be written? Between discoveries and part. This word is missing there. Discoveries have part. Next, number C. Baryons composite particles composed of three quarks. Three quarks. The word which is missing here, we have to see to it. Baryons composite particles of three baryons are composite particles. Between baryons and composite, you have to write are. Baryons are composite particles composed of three quarks. The work carried out in 2011 and 2012. Number D. The work was carried out. Passive form, between work and carried, you have to write was. You know the way how to write, accordingly you go on writing. Next, a paper reporting the finding been submitted. It is to be written in past tense, had been submitted. Between finding and been, you write down had been submitted. The facility going through an upgrade now. The facility is. Between facility and going, you write down is. The facility is going through an upgrade now. A related baryonic particle found by an experiment in 2012. A related baryonic particle was found. Between particle and found, you use was. A related baryonic particle was found. So children, today I'll complete here now. This was the work. and the rest too I will do in the next class. You must note down. I am giving you time because you must note down the question answers in your CW copy today that I have provided you in PDF format. So thank you, students. We will once again do the next one in the next class. Thank you.